Hi everyone, this is Jana here. Welcome to my channel. So today, following the holiday recipes, we're going to make something a little bit different, but nonetheless super delicious and easy. We're going to make a German cheese and leeks soup. So delicious, so good and so darn easy. And you can serve it as a starter for your Thanksgiving or your Christmas. How about that? So to start, we have here chopped, sliced leeks, and instead of the meat, because originally they make it, I believe, with veal or something like that, we're going to use white button mushroom because this soup has a very beautiful whitish greenish color, and I don't want to alter that, so that's why the white mushrooms. So on a pot, you add olive oil or any kind of oil of your preference, and then you add the minced mushrooms. So here we're not looking for color, okay? All right, it's been like 3-4 minutes in medium heat, and now we add the leeks. And now we're going to add a selection of very simple spices that you can find at any supermarket and you probably have in your home already, which is garlic powder. You can also add garlic. Here I chose not to. A pinch of black pepper, marjoram, salt, and vegetable bouillon. Now you add a little bit of water. This is a German soup that I have never had it before, I believe. In my household, there was never that growing up. But I've seen it online the other day on a German channel and I loved it. I'm like, I gotta make this. And you know what we're gonna use? Because it's supposed to be with the cream cheese. We're going to use the cream cheese that we made. Click there if you want to know how it's made, but after the video, because there's much more information that you need. Also, the recipe is going to be linked down below in the description box, and as well as on my channel, the printable recipe, so you don't need to worry about taking notes or anything like that. Now it's time to add the milk. I'm using, I think it's soy milk. I believe so, because that's what I buy every time. That's what I like the taste better than the other plant-based milk. But it can be cream as well. It can be vegan cream or plant-based cream. And sour cream, it can be sour cream. But I don't have sour cream, so I'm gonna add lemon at the end. And then it's gonna be just the same. Well, not just the same, but you know what I mean. And the cream cheese that we made. I have been using so much of this cream cheese, and it's so versatile. I love it. And now, just to give a little bit of more of a cheesy taste, you add 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper and a teaspoon of nutritional yeast. That's optional, but I think it works really well. And voila, ready. Now I'm gonna plate it. And let me tell you something about this soup. You don't miss on anything. Like I said, originally it's made with meat, and I know that somebody's gonna come and yell at me because you cannot make food and pretend that it's meat. And guess what? Yes, I can. Have you seen the name on the channel? Whose name is that? So of course we can. And I'm rambling, but as I'm saying, it's a very filling soup. If you serve it like I'm gonna serve later with some plant-based butter that I also made, and I'm gonna leave the card also there. If you add a toast with that butter, it tastes so good and it's so comforting and so easy, and also looks so beautiful. I will plate it now and show you guys how beautiful it is. And here I have our leeks, mushrooms, and cheese soup, vegan cheese soup. And it looks so pretty, didn't I tell you? All those colors, and it's creamy, yet it's léger, what's the word, light. It tastes very sophisticated. It's a very elegant starter or a main dish, because once you have this, you're gonna be so full. So if you're serving as a starter, be careful with the portions. Serve it in a very small portion because it's very filling. So this is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I absolutely love this recipe. I have made like 2-3 times already because I'm a little bit addicted to it. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you like my content, and hit the bell button so you get notified every time I make a video. And I see you next time, my lovelies. Have a fabulous week. Until then, bye!